Today we'll be discussing about flashcards. Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing about flashcards. As you have seen flashcard in our module, this is a process which helps in the betterment of students. Flashcard has two purposes to resolve. Firstly, to ensure that the child understands the number of abacus, that is the bead value. And secondly, to ensure that the child has got his reflexes developed, like eye coordination, quick decision, confidence, concentration, and he has to use them in a very short span of time. As the word suggests, flashcard, that means we'll be flashing it. At the beginning, when we teach a student, we teach him about the abacus, the use, and the bead value. Now the bead value might be a little confusing, so we use the flashcard. Flashcards are something like this. As you can see, we have drawn the figure of 1 on the flashcards, and on the front you can see the value of the flashcard. For teachers, the value is written at the back corner to ensure that the child and the teacher both understand which card is being used. On the beginning, we use it very slowly. How much is this? Now, the child has to answer the value that he has been seeing. When the child is not able to answer, we understand that the child has a problem with the understanding of beads value. Now, there are 20 students in your class, and when all of the 20 will start answering and one is weak, the weak person is able to receive from the rest of the 90, and the child doesn't feel being left. If you turn the flashcard, the value will turn 2. This is 3, then 4, this is 5, then 6, this is 7, then 8, this is 9, and then the value 10 is not shown because on the beginning we teach them till the value of 9. Then we ask them to do certain pages. So this flashcard will help him memorize till the value 9. After we have explained 10, then we need to show this value. Now as you can see, the unit rod is empty and the tens rod is filled. Now there are certain ways and process how to use the flashcard. At the beginning, as I said, the flashcard will be very slow. Now after the explanation of 10, we go to the number 11 to 99. Now I'll be showing you an example how you will represent the flashcard showing. In this example, we'll be going through all the modules how we'll be presenting the flashcard. Now suppose there are 20 students. I'm taking an example of 2 students in my class, and with 2 students I'll be demonstrating you how the flashcard should be shown by a class instructor or a teacher. We require to have flashcards in our hand. Now if the flashcards are kept on table, then the table should be high enough so that you can reach it quickly. It is advised that you keep them in your hand. Now, suppose I have 2 students, Vikas and Manohar. They are sitting in my class and I am starting the basic flashcard. They have come to my class in the first week. Now, after I have explained them the flashcard value, then I'll be asking them, okay, Vikas, how much is this?
1.
Vikas, how much is this? Manohar, how much is
5.
this?
7. 9.
Now, as you see that on the first 2 sides, I have increased my voice and I have asked with the thrust. Now, this energy level should be there. Once the child gets trained, he gives you the answer like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. he gave me an answer where 1 and 3 were told by me, and from 3 to 9 he gave it himself. I didn't have to say him what is this. I didn't so because I need to understand that he understood it or not. Now after this, my flash would be, how much is this?
11.
How much is this?
17.
How much is this?
15.
How much is this?
17.
How much is this?
19.
How much is this?
21.
So this is a second way when I am fast. Now I have to drop the flashcards because I couldn't hold it, right? And if I hold them, I have to keep them down. That will delay the time. So my flashcards are dropping. After this, there comes random cards. Random cards are numbers which are not fixed. Means I can take any number from anywhere in the card. Okay. What is this?
91.
How much is this?
83.
How much is this?
95.
How much is this?
98.
How much is this?
59.
How much is this?
29.
Now, as you can see that my numbers were random. After I have shown them from 1 to 9 slowly, then speedily. Now I am going randomly. Now there is one more way. When they get trained, how much is
99.
this? Because from front to back if you go, then the vision has to be adjusted. These are the ways that you should apply slowly in the first level itself. First two methods that are flashed slowly and fast should be done in first level. From second level onwards, you can start the droppings, like you draw it and drop it, you draw it and drop it. On this second part, you can either go like show vision and throw, go quick and throw. This will train the eye as well as the child will be able to take the decision itself, and he will concentrate more thoroughly. Now, while going for flashcard, you should never ask series wise. You can ask any child, go nearly, don't stand, just go quickly, show this and throw this. Now, apart from that child, everyone else in the class who is sitting near to the child will also be looking in the class. Now, at that moment, your class is quite involved. I hope that your questions regarding flashcard and how to use it in your class is clear.